Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, firstly we are seeing Navaratri special edition of ready-made heavy silk blouse. Throughout the blouse is having thread and foil mirror work, and it's designed as a back open with 3/4 sleeve, and which is priced at 579 rupees. Moving to the next collection is a set of fancy soft litchi silk sarees. Throughout the body part of these collections are having a rich design along with running or contrast rich pallu with beautiful borders and running blouse. All these collections are priced at 770 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For other states, even shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And also avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. Also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.